Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing both devices. Make sure your watch is charged above 20% and Bluetooth and location are enabled on your iPhone. Once done, open the Wear OS app or the specific manufacturer app you installed. This app manages the connection because iOS limits background Bluetooth pairing. You'll follow prompts to start pairing. The app scans for the watch. As you proceed, grant permissions the app requests so the phone can see and configure the watch immediately. You now complete the core pairing step. When the app lists your watch, tap it and look for a matching code on both screens. Confirm the code to establish the Bluetooth link. Next, grant permissions the app requests, notifications, contacts, health data, and location, because they enable apps and alerts to work properly. Then, follow prompts displayed on the watch to sign in to a Google account or create one. This step syncs apps and settings and finalizes the wearable's profile on your iPhone. You finish by customizing watch settings inside the companion app. Choose notification rules, watch faces, and which apps to install. Once configured, test a call, send a message, and check that notifications and health data sync to confirm a stable connection. If something goes wrong, first restart both devices and toggle Bluetooth on your iPhone. If issues persist, unpair and perform a factory reset on the watch, then repeat the pairing sequence. That reset often clears stubborn connection problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.